The Toll Public Interest Center, which we call TPIC, is steward of the law school's pro bono legacy and home to many of the law school's foundational public interest programs and scholarships. We are, at Penn Carey Law, the oldest national law school to have a pro bono requirement. We've had that since the 1980s. It's a great point of pride for us. We also have the largest pro bono requirement in the country. And I think something that I hope folks will understand about our culture of service here is that pro bono impacts that culture in ways that are profound. So every single law student, regardless of which sector of work they will pursue, is meaningfully engaged in service from the very beginning. So in orienting people to what TPIC does and where we sit within the law school universe, I like to think of us as a starting point. From the very kind of first day that students come here as incoming law students during orientation, we interact with them, we host a big day about pro bono where they get to engage with community partners and upper level students about the meaningful work that they're doing in Philadelphia, nationally and internationally. And so we view TPIC as a place where law students come to engage with service either through a pro bono lens and or through a public interest lens. And from there, students journey out into really meaningful and profound experiences in the Get Us Legal clinics. They journey out to do really incredible externships at partner organizations all over. And they learn a lot about service through the incredible coursework that our faculty lead. What's really unique about Penn Carey Law's approach to service is that it's kind of an umbrella under which all of the things we do here sit. And so rather than there being public interest students and private sector students, we have all of our students engaging in service via our pro bono requirement in a way that is really galvanizing and unifying of students across their various differences and the different interests that they have. And it ensures that our students will go out into the world with an understanding, hopefully with a spark, of what can be accomplished if all lawyers understood their obligation, regardless of what types of careers they pursue, to use the law to further the public good.